Hello guys, hope you are doing good. If you want to know something from me, you can post a question here, and hopefully with that we'll be able to answer all of your queries. So if you want to join me, then please start posting a question. Based on that, I'm going to help you out understanding whatever you need. Probably that is one thing I can help you out here, right? See, the purpose of this particular live session is just to make sure that you all have all the materials, questions that is needed. So if you want to know something from me, please post your questions, and based on that I'm going to help you out with my answers. Who is it there in the other side? Can you just type yes in response to the chat so that I know who is it? Post a comment and then I'll be able to help you out. What is it? Yes, I'm here to help all of you with your questions that primarily you will have as a business analyst. So primarily the purpose of all of this call is to help you out with the technical or functional or non-technical or non-functional questions that you guys having, and based on that we are going to talk about a lot of new things that will help you all understanding different concepts of business analysis, and hopefully that will be done. Stay positive, Deji. Yes, right. Thanks for joining. Jax Johnson. Hi, Jax. Let me know if you're having a questions. I'll be able to help you out with an answer if I know it. If I don't know, I cannot. Right? So probably if you want me to answer a query that you have, kindly post a question in the comment section and I'll try to help you out with that answer. All right. Okay. Hello guys, this is again Dhirendra Kumar Panda. Thanks for joining me in the live session. So if you have a question, you can post it back in the comment section. If that comes back, I know it, I'll be able to help you out understanding whatever is it. Daisy, Zax, please post your question if you have. Else, all right. But if you guys do not have a question, let us go ahead and understand a concept. See, what is the trend today of business analysis? That is very, very important, right? See, today's trend is going more on data side of it, right? When it uses AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, then today's outlook or overview is primarily data. Um, all the AI and ML system that is going to work out only when your data is available for you, so that it find out a pattern, it tries to find out a pattern, and along with that particular pattern, you will primarily understand the artificial intelligence, the machine that understands what you need, and based on that it's going to give you suggestion. All right, Jack is having a question. Specialize in Jack. I specialize in many domains. including banking, healthcare. Okay. I specialize in energy and utility, e-commerce. There are many domain I specialize with. Especially when you talk about, I am a business analyst trainer. I am a business analyst by profession. I have almost having experience over 15 years into business analysis and IT. And more importantly, I have worked in many projects across the globe. Have also experience in on-site experiences, on-site project visits. Thank you so much for asking. All right. Why AI or ML is important for us today, right? See, let's say you are doing all your job manually today, right? And you want to do it or accelerate it doing automated systems, right? You want to increase your efficiency. That is where AI and ML is purely helpful to you, and it's going to look for your pattern, look for your usage, and based on that it's going to tell you what you should do better to improve yourself, improve your skill set. And there are many things, right? So that is why AI and ML is important, but data is primary key for it. It evaluates the existing data that you have and give you a suggestion on what it does, right? Why there is a big myth that people are thinking that when AI and ML is introduced to the automation world or the software world, people will lose their job, right? That's a myth. According to me, see, there have been many instances when people says that that is ideally being done, right? What I say is, like for an example, in 99 2000, when computer is widely introduced for all the activities that we do today, right? Then people were thinking, when computer is going to be introduced, people will lose their job. No, it has opened a new industry. It increased the level of expertise people have, and they start doing it differently. Similarly, when people started using different applications, right? Yes or no? Then when automation primarily started, again people thought that people are going to lose job because these applications will maintain things. Let's say, for an example, inventory management system, they will not need, let's say if you are having a warehouse and you are using a person to handle your warehouse data, then basically they will be doing their own all their activities in using the registers, right? Physical registers. When it has come with the applications like warehouse management system and inventory management systems, then people thought that people will lose job, but ideally that is not the scenario. Same way, now also people are thinking that when AI and ML will come, then especially technology experts and technology people, developers, they are going to lose their job. BAs, they are going to lose their job. But it's not actually. It actually opens a different industry for you. It opens a different altogether, job profile for you, and then industry will go well. It will employ more people. More importantly, to develop a AI model also you need a BA and you need a development team, right? Using a technology you are going to do it. So that's not fact. The fact is it opens new industry. Yes, it changes the dimension of the industry. People who are using not doing it manual, using manual process to do it, now they are going to do it with the automation process, right? Okay, whoever is watching me, if you can come back with your question, I will try to help you out if I can, and see if I am able to help you out. All right. I see not much people joining today, so probably we will close the live session in a while. We'll wait for a minute. If you have a question, please post it in the comment section of the live session. If a comment, I will try to answer it if I can. Alright. Assuming people are not having queries, they are just watching. I am closing or ending this live session for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have a question, you still have an opportunity to ask. If you do not have a question, thank you so much. No worries with that. Alright, then it's better to go ahead and close the live session. Thank you again.